The NXT family just leveled up. Sharper style, smarter systems, same ready-for-anything attitude. First up, style. Choose your Z6 tower in white, flint gray, or black, each designed to hit the perfect note with your build. Inside, new pleated upholstery zones bring a more refined, more intentional look to every seat, without losing the rugged, ultra-capable feel that defines the NXT lineup. It's a subtle shift, but it changes the whole vibe. Function got a big boost too. Keyless ignition is now standard, simplifying your startup and adding peace of mind. New sleep and away modes keep your boat's system smart and efficient by reducing power consumption and helping preserve your battery, whether you're anchored up in the cove or walking away from the boat for a bit. It's one less thing to think about. Lighting steps into the spotlight this year as well. RGB lighting is now standard with 11 controllable zones from bow to stern, plus upgraded courtesy lights for better visibility and a more polished interior feel. All of it is controlled from a single, streamlined hub at the helm. Every NXT now features Soundstage, our directional, perfectly tuned audio system built specifically for life on the water. Add tower speakers or a second sub if you want more punch, but even stock, you'll feel the difference. And because customization is in the MasterCraft DNA, we've added new gel coat zones, plus fresh gel coat and upholstery colors, so your boat can look exactly how you want it to. Every update to the NXT family was made to make your time on the water look better, feel better, and work better. It's refined where it matters, ready everywhere else.